Hey guys, I have a special product research tactic that you can do using merchant words to find some winning products for your Amazon product line. Stay tuned and find out. Hey everybody, Tommy here from Merchant Words. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through a product research tip that you can do using merchant words. So basically, what you want to do is get some words that that are material, that are a descriptive word, adjectives. You can do red, black, a color, any type of material, stainless steel, plastic, rubber, bamboo, silicone, men's, women's, things like that. Just type that in, and then hit search and see what comes back. So, maybe you have a manufacturer that manufactures silicone, and you want to see all of the products that have a high search volume, that have a market within Amazon that are silicone. Go ahead and search it, and see what's viable for you to tell your manufacturer and make it. So in this case, I use bamboo. So now here we have bamboo sheets, bamboo pillow, bamboo toothbrush, bamboo cutting board, and these are going to be all the highest search products, highest search keyword markets that are being searched on Amazon for the last 30 days. So bamboo sheets is about 700,000, bamboo pillow 600,000, and so on. So these at the top are going to be your most saturated markets here, and I would not advise to go into selling any of these at all. So what you want to do is go ahead and refine. I would like to refine by search volume in this case. So let's say anything, let's do 15,000. Anything less than 15,000 searches per month. Kind of give you some, kind of cut out anything so you're not looking for a needle in the haystack here. Okay, so what I'm doing now is kind of scrolling down, looking at things that might look weird or a product that I haven't heard before. And then I'm going to go and do some more due diligence on it, look into it further. Once I get to something that I see, okay. Bamboo napkins, that sounds kind of cool. So this right here, click into our keyword history analysis panel. I did another video on this, walking you through it. I'll link that here. So this looks pretty good at a glance. You can see that over the last 3 months, it's up about 8%. Over the last 12 months, about 7%. So it's on the uptrend. The average price is about $17. So that's not bad depending on your cost of goods. Star rating, 4.2. It looks like there's some bad reviews in there. Go ahead and look at those bad reviews, improve upon the product, and release it. Average reviews 100. That's good. Page one reviews. There's 36 products that have under 100 reviews, and there's 0 products that have over 1,000. So that's really good. And these are related keywords. We get these with natural language processing with our own proprietary algorithms. I did a video on these as well, but this video is going to be on this product research tip. So now let's see here. I want to go do a little bit more research. Let's look on Amazon. And now we have the bamboo napkins here. Okay, so not too many. Looks pretty good. Not bad. So not a lot of these have many sponsored ads on them. That means you could probably get in here for cheap. Keywords are probably cheap. You could probably take over this market. Do some more due diligence. This is just something I just did on the fly here. But looking at this, it looks like not a bad product from all of our data and all of this quick little research we did here. But continue to do your research. And then if you do decide to source a product like this, I would test it. Test the market, order like a 50 50 to 100 units. It's okay to order it from a trading company because big manufacturers probably won't do a run of 50 to 100, but do a test order. If they go quick, order more and scale up from there. And you could possibly have a really good, viable product on your hands. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. And until then, you guys stay awesome and be awesome. And thanks for watching. All right, guys.